god, you've made some special card. Okay, so this is a heart to dear Gia. I'm sorry, these things are coming out. I will read them all. So cute, this is so thoughtful. You have put all my lovely pictures this side and this side. I don't know how I'm supposed to open it or how I'm supposed to handle it. Thank you so much. With love only for you. Thank you for these small efforts that bring a smile on my face. Thank you. And these are few of your more letters. I will definitely read all of y'all. Ouch. Thank you, thank you. I will read them all peacefully. Thank you, Noor. And the other toy that you have sent me, I'm just trying to put the battery. Uh, I'm just trying to put the battery and I'll try to see how it works. Thank you. That will also go right in my bedroom. Thank you for this cute gift box. Oh my god, okay. So I have again received a gift, but unfortunately no name written on the gift. Who has sent me this gift? Let me open it and see. So this is a t-shirt and it has my photo printed. How sweet. Okay. So cute. So cute. So I'm going to wear this. Happy birthday, Gia. Thank you so much. I love the photo you selected. See, I just said 2 minutes back that this photo is, the favorite amongst all my fans. Thank you for this special sweet gesture. I loved it. Thank you. From Erica. Erica, your gift is here.
दो नाम है एरिका
एरिका या पूरा वही नाम है एक ही है हाँ एरिका भाई
हाँ, एरिका।
सिगवान okay Erica your gift is here and your message is also here so Erica is this cute girl from Indonesia जिसको बहुत शौक है बॉलीवुड सॉन्ग्स गाना गाने का and she loves to watch my show in Indonesia. Thank you Erica, your gift has finally reached me. जन्मदिन मुबारक हो मेरी प्यारी बहन जिया मानिक मैं तुमसे बहुत प्यार करता हूँ नहीं करती हूँ एरिका थैंक यू सो क्यूट मेरे फैंस जब हिंदी लैंग्वेज में लिखने की कोशिश करते हैं जब उनको नहीं आता अच्छे से इट्स वेरी वेरी क्यूट थैंक यू फॉर द एफर्ट द बेस्ट वे टू एंजॉय लाइफ इज़ टू फॉरगेट योर एज एंड जस्ट रिमेंबर द मेमोरीज thank you for all the fantastic and irreplaceable memories. I'm sending you lots of wishes on your birthday. Thank you, Erica. So sweet. And thank you for running my fan club. Thank you for everything that you guys do for me. Thank you. What is this? Oh, thank you. I can probably put this in my mobile. Thank you. So cute. And I think there is one more. Oh, this is an angel. Thank you for sending me an angel. I would say all my fans are my angels in disguise, because you all do so many things for me. I don't think I need an angel in real life because all of y'all are there for me, always. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay. क्या है? Thank you. This is another flower. 2 flowers. So cute. Oh, so cute. I can put this in my balcony window. Thank you. Oh no, there's one more flower. Wow. Have you done this? Have you made this? How nice. Thank you. What is this, Erica? It's a dress. Is it? It's a dress. No, it's a top. It's a top.
and dress.
It's a top and dress both. No, it's a top. It's a top! Yay! Thank you. Although I think I'm going to float in this, but it's so special. Thank you for giving me this. I will definitely try to wear it once I'm done with the video bite. So this is a different kind of top which I don't own in my wardrobe. So thank you for taking me back to Indonesia. Thank you. Very sweet. Okay, I think I'm missing out on something. Ouch. Hearts, so many hearts. So cute. I'm sorry few of your hearts have come out. I'm sorry, but I'll fix them up. Read this when you're not going to be busy. Okay, ठीक है. So I'm going to read this peacefully when I'm not going to be busy. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, so here is a lovely edit by Erica. If you zoom in here, you can see that Erica is standing right next to me and we both have visited Taj Mahal together. I hope your dream comes true, Erica. I hope you go and visit Taj Mahal together. And this is another one where I'm sitting outside Taj Mahal with Salman Khan. हम लोग दोनों के पास कोई काम नहीं है, हम दोनों ताजमहल के बाहर जाके आराम से बैठे हैं. So this is a nice big letter. I'm going to read it when I'm totally free. Thank you. Nice handwriting. Erica. Okay, Erica, how many things have you sent me? So Erica अच्छा गाना भी गाती है, Erica drawing भी करती है. So here she's made a drawing of my very very old photo. Thank you. Good attempt. Thank you so much, Erica. Okay, so cute. Thank you. I hope I have opened it all. Erica. Okay. Erica, I would like to just read out a message. Aku sayang kalian semau, kalian luar biasa, terima kasih. Aku cinta Indonesia. इसका मतलब ये है, I love you all. You guys are amazing, and I love Indonesia. Thank you. Okay, guys, please remember to write your name because I will never know who has sent me what. Please message me who has sent me this gift on. Please DM me on Instagram. I love you more than coffee. Wow, nice message. Thank you for all my lovely photos. I love collecting different types of mugs, and this is another mug to my collection. Thank you. And I love the message written on the cup. Thank you. Please DM me. Please tell me who has said this for me. Thank you. Gia Lover Indonesia from Annie Bunda Laras. Gia, for your birthday. So this is from my fans. Eka Gia Lovers, Eka Sari, Annie Bunda Laras, Chris Dias, Chen Linda 80, Leon, Rani Kasnita, Voni Triya Meleni, Retro Da Mayati. Sorry if I'm pronouncing your name right. Chilla Chilkid, Yonika Zuraida. Sorry, please forgive me if I pronounced your names wrongly. Sorry. Oh, a few more. Manzu Cute, Sinam Bella Feravati, and Mara Madani 758. Thank you all of y'all. Thank you so much. Let's see what's in store for me. Happy birthday, Jia Didi. Wish you all the best from all your fans. And this belongs to group Eka Jia Lover. Thank you. So I have a little story behind this gift which I will just quickly tell you all. So this gift was stuck at the customs, and my friend from India Forums, she notified to me that the gift is stuck, and it's stuck in the post office till the time we don't go and give the payment for the same to get the gift. So I personally went to the post office when we couldn't figure out where the gift is, and I finally got the gift. And I had this gift with me for the past 4 days, and it was extremely difficult for me to control and not open it because I wanted y'all to see me opening it on the camera so that y'all could see me and my happiness when I get your gift. Thank you. So this is a nice handbag sent by all of y'all. How nice. Thank you. So this is a small purse, okay, which is a personalized purse with my name written on it. Thank you so much. Cute purse. A bag inside a big bag. How thoughtful. So this has my photograph, and in the background it has the photograph of all my fans who have got together and sent me this frame. How nice. आजकल के बच्चे कितने इंटेलिजेंट हो गए हैं. Thank you so much. This is going to go on my wall in my bedroom. Thank you. This is lovely. Thank you all of y'all. Aku cinta Indonesia. Lots of love. This is Chantik. Akshay More. I remember chatting with you recently. Thank you. Your gift has finally reached me from Karnataka, Bangalore. Thank you, Akshay. Thank you. अक्षय को मैंने रिसेंटली रिप्लाई किया था ऑन वन ऑफ द मेल्स जो उसने मुझे बहुत पहले भेजा था, बट आई एम सॉरी आई चेक्ड इट वेरी लेट. सो आई नो व्हाट इज इनसाइड बट आई एम स्टिल ओपनिंग इट. हाँ, थैंक गॉड. हमेशा जब भी मुझे ऐसे कुछ मिलता है इट इज़ ऑलवेज ब्रोकन. आई एम सो ग्लैड दिस इज़ नॉट ब्रोकन. दिस इज़ सो ब्यूटिफुल. दिस इज़ माई कान्हा जी. So I'm getting a Kanha ji after so long. Otherwise generally मुझे गिफ्ट्स में सिर्फ और सिर्फ कान्हा जी ही मिलते थे after I did Satya, and then suddenly I stopped getting Kanha ji. Now I'm again getting a lot of Kanha ji. So I think this has slightly, I think it needs a little glue to stand like this, but otherwise it's so pretty. Thank you, Akshay. Thank you so much. I was honestly not expecting you to send it so quickly to India Forums because I just recently chatted with you, but thank you for this lovely gift. In my entire gift section I have not got a Kanha ji, but this is going right in my living room, right next to all my awards. Thank you so much. I love your gift. So this is from Vothi Who. Pronouncing it wrong. Okay, this is
Andana.
What is this? Thank you. This is a cute purse. Thank you for this cute purse. It goes with my dress. Thank you.
इसके अंदर भी कुछ नहीं.
अच्छा हाँ देख लेती हूँ. Okay, I have to check just in case there is something inside. Okay, because sometimes I just miss out. Thank you. I'll keep this back where it was. And this is thinking of you always. Ah, so cute. Yes, this is a young girl whom I have chatted with on Instagram. Thank you, my dear. Nana, yes, because your name was not written clearly on the box. Hello, Jia. You're a very special person, and you are not just an actress I like. I will always be here to follow and support you. Love you so much. Nana, thank you so much. So this is a girl wearing odd eye. I love odd eye. And I'm going to keep this with me in my purse. So cute. She has all my different pictures. She has one of her pictures. So this one is Nana, the young pretty girl who sent me this gift. Thank you so much. And I love you too. Okay. So Nana has sent me odd eye. I love odd eye. Thank you. This is such a nice different color. I don't have this color, grey color. So this is how it looks like. So I can't wait to wear it. Thank you so much. It's really pretty. And I'm supposed to team this up with this. Okay. So I think this is a skirt. No. Okay. So this is a different kind of outfit. And this is a different kind of odd eye from what I was gifted a few months back. Thank you, Nana. I loved your gift. So Nana, thank you so much for this different kind of odd eye. You know I love wearing odd eyes. And thank you so much for gifting this sweet odd eye to me. You'll see me wearing it soon. Thank you for the purse. Thank you for the card. And thank you for bringing a smile on my face. Thank you all my fans for sending so many gifts for me and making my day special. Again, I'm saying it. Please don't spend money on buying these gifts. You can just send me cards and letters. That's more than enough. And thank you so very much. God bless you all. And y'all are the ones who have made my birthday really, really, really special. And it is you guys who make it special. Y'all are making it special for the past 8-9 years since the time I'm in the industry. And trust me, I have not got this kind of unconditional love from anybody in my life That's why I say that my Valentines will always be my friend, even if I get a boyfriend and even if I get a husband tomorrow. You all will always be my true Valentines. Thank you so much and lots of love.
We hope that your token of love has reached Gia. Keep sending your love and we promise to deliver it to your favorite stars. And don't forget, for more updates on your favorite stars and shows, like, share and subscribe on YouTube to India Forums. Addiction at its best.
Hi, this is Jia Manek and you all are watching me on India Forums.
Ashima Chavda, camera person Babaji, India Forums, Mumbai.